So today we got this 2015 MacBook Air that is water damaged. Now this computer is not fully broken. It works alright. But the only problem is when we try booting this computer up, you see there is no response. But if you take the charger and plug it in, then boot the computer, it turns on. Takes some time, but I promise it turns on. There we go. So yeah, let's get straight into the video and get this laptop fixed. Before we move on with this video, please make sure that you smash that like button and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I post my new videos. In this situation, we only have 3 options. 1, replace the battery. 2, replace the I/O board, which is a piece inside the computer, which I will be showing. And 3, just buy a new laptop. Trust me, fixing your laptop is way more worth it with the price. Here are the 2 pieces that we are going to be replacing in this computer. First, the battery. There's the battery. It came with 4 screwdrivers from where I ordered it from. Then we got the I/O board. This is what the I/O board. This is what the I/O board. The I/O board is the charger, USB, and headphone jack side of the MacBook Air. So if you were to take the computer, this side is the side you will be replacing. When you open up the computer, make sure that your computer's battery life is actually at 0. But in my case, it is at 0, because for obvious reasons, which I shouldn't have actually done that because I had to boot it all up again. Okay, so I booted up the computer again. So let's get started with fixing this laptop. So the first piece that we are going to be replacing is the battery. So on the bottom of the MacBook are 10 screws. These 10 screws are holding the cover in place, which we have to take the cover off. So we're going to start off by unscrewing each of the 10 screws. So once we have opened the bottom of the computer, we are going to go ahead and pull the tab that connects the battery to the system. Now the battery is disconnected from the system. Now we are going to go ahead and start unscrewing the screws on each corner of the battery, including the one in the middle. Now that we have pulled out the old battery, we can go ahead and put in the new battery. So let's swap that out. Put this in, make sure it's on the right way. Make sure all holes are aligned. Then we could go ahead and retrace our steps, put the screws back in, and plug the connection back into the slot. Alright, so new batteries installed. Now let's charge this computer for a little bit and let's see if it will hold charge.
A few moments later.
Alright, so here's the moment of truth. Let's see. Let's go back to about this Mac. Okay, So it's like it wasn't a battery issue, so that means only one thing, that it's the I/O board problem. Let's actually test this out. When I unplug this, will it shut off? Yep, it shut off. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. If you like this video, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell where you will be notified when I post my next video. And also, there will be a part 2 to this video on the water damaged MacBook Air where I'm going to be replacing the I/O board. So please stay tuned for that. And so then, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all next time.